Look at the crisp it has got. It turns out perfectly nice and crispy. Wow. Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hello friends, I am Madhura. Welcome to MadhurasRecipe.com. In my previous episode, we have seen how to prepare tortillas, that is flour tortillas at home. And now today we are going to see how to prepare vegetable and cheesy quesadilla. So for that, I have preheated a tablespoon of oil into a pan, just enough to saute your veggies. Here I have got red, green and yellow pepper sliced. So throw them all in the oil. Saute it for just about a minute. After about a minute, next goes in mushrooms. Now these are my choice of vegetables. You can pretty much add in more or less veggies as your choice. Give that a mix. And cook this for 1 more minute. Now in our veggies, add in garlic powder. So this is homemade garlic powder and the recipe is on YouTube. You can just browse that with the tag Madhura's recipe. Then some Italian seasoning, crushed black pepper, chili flakes, that is optional, and lots of spring onion. Mix that in. Now this mushroom tend to release lots of moisture, so we are going to cook our veggies till most of the moisture or water is dehydrated from these veggies. Looks perfect. Veggies are cooked, but those are not completely cooked. These peppers still have a little bit of crunch in it, and this tastes really good. Finally, turn off the heat. Add in salt for taste. Give that a mix. And now our vegetable stuffing is ready. Now that our vegetable stuffing is ready, now our next step is to make quesadillas. And for that, here I have some tortillas. So these are homemade tortillas and the recipe is available on my channel as well as on my website. So we are going to cook one side of 2 tortillas. Don't need to cook from both the sides. We want to make underneath or bottom side nice and crispy. So I have added just a little bit of butter and I'm going to cook this till the time it gets nice and crisp and deep golden color. Let's check this out. Yep, it's perfectly cooked. Similarly, we are going to cook one more tortilla from just one side. This is also very well cooked. Now I'm going to lower down the temperature, flip this over so that these quesadillas don't get burned. Now first I'm going to put a layer of cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese over here. So we are going to put our stuffing on the cooked side and not the raw one. Now let's add in veggies. Now again put one more layer of cheese. Now close this up using this cooked side underneath. Apply some butter. Now increase the heat and let this cook just like sandwich from both the sides. Now once it gets nice deep golden color from bottom side. Now here's the fun part. That means we are going to flip this over without falling the vegetables all over the place. Oh, perfect. Good flip. Now let this cook from the other side for 2 to 3 more minutes. And it looks perfectly cooked from both the sides. Now let's take this out into a serving dish. Wow. Look at the crisp it has got. Let's cut this in half. Turns out perfectly nice and crispy. Wow. Nice, crispy and cheesy. Yummy. Wow. So these vegetable quesadillas turn out to be nicely crispy, cheesy and yummy. So do give that a try. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.